Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the SQL command. As you know, SQL help you to store the data permanently. Whenever we are making a project, तो SQL जो है basically आपके data को permanently background में save करता है. तो here SQL basically structured query language. Query means we will ask the question in structured manner. So here we will learn the different commands. First of all, DDL commands. सो DDL कमांड्स जो है बेसिकली आपकी द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ द DDL कमांड इज डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज. इसमें हम जो करेंगे टेबल स्ट्रक्चर और डेटाबेस स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो हियर आर डिफरेंट कमांड्स लाइक हाउ टू क्रिएट अ डेटाबेस, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ टेबल, ऑल्टर लाइक हाउ टू मॉडिफाई द टेबल स्ट्रक्चर, वी कैन डू हाउ टू डिलीट द डेटाबेस. सो दीज बेसिकली format depends on the table structure. नेक्स्ट इज़ योर DML कमांड, डेटा मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज. इसमें हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं टेबल्स, रिकॉर्ड्स एंड टेबल न्यू एडिंग फील्ड्स. नंबर वन, इंसर्ट, डिलीट एंड अपडेट. सो हियर वी आर डिस्कसिंग हाउ टू इंसर्ट द रिकॉर्ड, हाउ टू डिलीट एंड हाउ टू अपडेट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द DDL कमांड, जिसमें हम लर्न करेंगे कि टेबल्स को कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं और उसको कैसे यूज़ करना है. So basically the DDL command focus on table table structure and database structure. And second, your DML command basically work for the table. So here we have to type the password. So I'm typing here the password one because I have set it. Now it's the time to create doing the practical. So here I will start the practical. Before starting the practical, I'm again opening my screen. Here you can see this is my screen and I'm going to start the work here. So first of all, I will create a database. Create database. Then the name of the database, like here I am typing school. SQL is not a case sensitive language. Put here semicolon so that you can end the command here. So semicolon is required to finish the command. Then press enter. Then message will come, one row affected. It means your database has been created. Now open the database. Write here use command, use. You will write here use school. Then it means you can open the here school database basically a folder. It contains number of tables. So now press enter. One message will display database change. It means your database has been opened. Now you have to create a table. How to create a table? Create table. Then you will write the table name like student. Here I am writing here roll number. Roll number can be like I can take here int data type, comma, name. You can take here char or varchar as per your choice. Char is a fixed length, varchar is a variable length. Fixed length means, in case of fixed length means the value, the size will be used as much as is written, and varchar means you can whatever the size you are taking, उसमें से कुछ space ही it will take very less. So roll number, name, then I will write here the address. I am writing here varchar 30. Then now in this table what I have done, roll number, name and address I have created. Then I will put the at the end semicolon. So this is a way to create a table. First, table name, field name, data type are required so that valid data can be entered. Now see, table has been created. You can display the table structure with the help of des command, DESC, then table name here, student, then semicolon. Now you can see it will show you the table structure, it will show you everything, roll number, name and address, everything is coming here. So it means it will show you the data type also. Here is a key, suppose you have attached any key, it will show you primary key or not. So the same command can be used here, describe, then table name, student. Now you can see again the same output is coming. So it means you can write the short form DESC, or you can write the complete describe command. After then you can see the record, but right now here is no record. So I am writing here select asterisk from student. This command is used to display all the records. But here is no record right now because it is showing the empty set. So if you want to add a new record, the suppose आपको अपने names, roll number, address fill up करनी है, so we have to use here insert command, which is called the TML command, because means we are adding a new record. So right now suppose you want to create a table. I have created here table, you can see student table, and this is the structure. Now here is no record, I have typed here select star from student. Now if you have to add new record, you will write here insert into student, then values, then in bracket we have to type here the values. अगर numeric है, in case of numeric no inverted commas, but अगर value character है then you have to use inverted commas, single or double as per the choice. So here I have written roll number 1, inverted commas I will write the name like Aman Kumar, as per the limit you have given here 20 character, comma, then again inverted commas I will put the address like Delhi, whatever address, complete address as per the choice you have to write. So then we will put the semicolon. So now in this case what is happening, this new record will be added. See, it is coming. Now we can see the same command, we have the top arrow keys जो आपके लैपटॉप में भी होता है. Now you can see all the commands are coming, the top arrow keys will come here. So I have no need to write this command again, select star from student. I can see here the name of student is coming here because of the drop down arrow keys I have used here. Now same command I can copy down, insert into command. You can see here it is coming again. Now I will change here the roll number, or you can type this command again, name of student, then same address I am putting here, then I am pressing enter. Now same command I am typing, select star from student. You can see two names are coming, so there are two records here in this table, and the database name is here school. Okay, so same as it is, we can do other commands along with the select command. In select command there are other option here, select, like if you want to see only the specific field, select roll number, comma name from student. This command will show you only the roll number and name. As you can see here, it's coming on the screen. So if you want to see all the records, then you have to use select star from student. But if you have to write a particular field name, तो सिर्फ ये पर्टिकुलर फील्ड नेम का डेटा ही आपको शो करेगा. Now we have another thing is here where can also be used to give the condition. So I will give the condition here कि I have to see only the record when roll number will be 2. So what I will write here, the same. So I will write here for the where clause, where means to give the condition. So select star, suppose I have to see select roll number, comma name from student, then I will type here where roll number equal to 3. So it means it will show you but right now there is no record, so there will be empty set will come. But if I will write again here roll number 2, then it will come here one record, roll number 2 I have to type, then now see the Ravi record is coming. So where basically is used to write the condition. Suppose I have to see the record when roll number is greater than 1, so I can write here where roll number greater than sign can also be used. Wait, I have to type the command again. Again I am going for the history, so I have no need to type the command. So right now I will write here select asterisk from student where roll number greater than 1. So it means again the same answer will come. As you can see here, this answer is coming. So it means now it will show you the only roll number 2 record. Now the next thing is here, we have other thing is here, like we can do other thing is an AND operator and OR operator we can apply as per the given condition. So here we can do one more thing is here, select asterisk from student where roll number equal to 1 and name equal to Aman. Aman. So what does it mean? जो रोल नंबर 1 है और साथ में अमन 1 है वही आपको डिस्प्ले करेगा, बट राइट नाउ ये करेक्ट नहीं, बिकॉज आपका जो कंप्लीट नेम था वो अमन कुमार था. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, I will write here Aman Kumar, then semi. So now you can see this record is coming on the screen. Okay.